Yes, good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications. So, already we have dealt with the operations, addition, subtraction, and we are going to deal with the operation multiplications in chapter 5, class 4. So, already we have learned what is multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. That is 3 times 5 is equal to 15. It is multiplication is nothing but repeated addition, and it's a quick way of calculation. And the terms related to the multiplication are multiplicand, capital M denoted by capital M. The number to be multiplied is called as multiplicand. Sorry. The number to be multiplied is called as multiplicand. And multiplier, the number by which we multiply this multiplicand is known as multiplier. Product, the result or the answer we get after multiplication is called as product. Multiplier is denoted by small m, multiplicand by small capital M, and product by P. Example, 15 into 4 is equal to 60. Into is the symbol of multiplication, and just it's a cross and we read it as into. Into is the symbol of multiplication. 15 into 4. 15 multiplied by 4 is equal to 60. 15 is the multiplicand. 4 is the multiplier. This is number to be multiplied. This is the number by which we multiply. This is the answer or the result after multiplication. That is product. Into is the symbol of multiplication. These are the terms related to multiplication. Let us revise some concepts or topics which you learnt in class 3. Thirteen into 2 equal to dash. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 26. 140 into dash is equal to 148. So, when the result is the same number as the multiplicand, with what should you multiply? You have to multiply by 1. When you multiply any number by 1, the product will be the same number. Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. (97) into what gives you the product 0? 0. Find the product. 39 into 4. 4 9s are 36. 4 3s are 12 plus 3 15. For the multiplications, children, you need to be thorough with the tables. That is most important thing which makes you easy to solve the problems. 64 into 7. 7 4s are 28, carry 2. 7 6s are 42 plus 2, 44. 625 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. Always start multiplying with the ones place only, never start with the tens place. And carry over number should never be multiplied, it should only be added. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, carry 1. 5 6s are 30 plus 1, 31. 703 into 6. 6 3s are 18. 6 zeros are 0 plus 1. 1. Never write 6 ones are 6 here. It is wrong. 6 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. 6 sevens are 42. 4218 is the product of 703 and 6. Yes, children, this is finding the product with tens and hundreds. So a number is multiplied by 10 or 100. This is a simple way. So 56 multiplied by 10. Multiplication by 10 means put 0 beside the given number. That will be the product. 56 into 10. 56 followed by 1 0. 560 is the product. 78 into 100. 78 followed by 2 zeros. When you multiply by a number by 100, the given number followed by 2 zeros will be the answer. 7800 will be the product. 243 into 10. Even if it is a 3-digit number also, just put a 0 in the ones place. That is the product of 10 and any other number. And 450 into 10. 450 followed by 1 0. 4500 is the answer. 700 into 100. 700. The given number is 700 followed by 2 zeros as we are multiplying it by 100. There is no confusion. 70,000 will be the product of 700 into 100. 694 into 100. 694 followed by 2 zeros. So 6 lakhs 69,400 will be the answer. In this way, it's very easy to multiply with 10 and 100. Yes, children, let us go with the properties of multiplication. Already we know that the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. Here 74 multiplied by 1 is 74. 305 multiplied by 1 is 305. So if any number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. We get the same number as the product. The product of any number and 0 is 0. If any number is multiplied by 0, the product will be 0. 68 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 932 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 2 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. And the product of two given numbers remains the same even if the order is changed. Even if their order is changed. Even if their order is changed. We know that 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Here also, even though if the order is changed and multiplied, the product remains the same. The product of two given numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. 16 into 10 is equal to 160. 10 into 16 is equal to 160. So 16 into 10 equals 10 into 16. This property is called as commutative property. If the numbers are reversed and multiplied and the product remains the same, that is called as commutative property of multiplication. Multiplication obeys commutative property. That is known as commutative property. And the product of 3-digit numbers also remains the same even if their order is changed. Sorry, not the product of 3-digit numbers, the product of 3 given numbers. The product of 3 given numbers remains the same even if their grouping is changed. Four 6 are 24 into 10 is equal to 240. 6 into 10 into 4. 6 tens are 60 into 4 is equal to 240. 4 into 10 into 6 is equal to 40 into 6 is equal to 240. So, even if the three numbers are changed and multiplied, the product remains the same. So, 4 into 6 into 10 equals 6 into 10 into 4 equal to 4 into 10 into 6. So, all the products remains the same even if their grouping is changed and multiplied. The product of three given numbers remains the same even if their grouping is changed. So, this is about the properties of multiplication. Any minutes? Yes, children, this is multiplication of a 4-digit number by a single digit number using long method. I will tell you what is long method. 1576 into 8. First, always start multiplying with the ones place digit. 8 6 are 48. First multiply ones. 8 6 are 48. 8 7, next multiply tens. 8 7s are 56. Keep the ones place digit vacant or 0. 8 7s are 56. This should be left. Next, multiply the hundreds. 8 5s are 40. When you multiply the hundreds place digit, you have to keep ones and tens vacant. Start putting between below hundreds. 8 5s are 40. 0, 4 here. And when you multiply thousands place, multiply thousands, keep ones, tens, hundreds vacant and put in the thousands place. Now add all these 4, 8, 4 plus 6, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 0 plus 1, 6, 8 plus 4, 12. 12,608 is the product of 1576 and 8. So this is the long way of multiplication. Just first multiply ones, next multiply tens and put the ones place vacant. When you multiply the hundreds place digit, put ones and tens vacant. And when you multiply the thousands place, put ones and tens and hundreds vacant. In this way, you can find out the product in long division method, Multiply 2964 by 7. See here, in the using expansion method. Expansion method is nothing but writing multiplicand in expanded form. 2964. So 2900 plus 900 plus 6 tens 60 plus 4 ones 4 multiplied by 7. Now 2000 into 7, this 7 is multiplied by each and every number in the bracket. 900 into 7 plus 60 into 7 plus 4 into 7. Now, when you multiply any number with these many zeros, we have to just multiply the numbers. 7 2s are 14 followed by 3 zeros. Just multiply the numbers and put the number of zeros in the multiplicand here. 900 into 7. 7 9s are 56 followed by 2 zeros. 5600 plus 6 7s are 16 to 7. 6 7s are 42 followed by 1 0. 420 plus 7 4s are 28. Now add all these. Add all these. 14,000, 5,600, ones below ones, tens below tens, hundreds below hundreds, thousands below thousands, like that. 420 plus 28. 8, 2 plus 2, 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 9, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 2. 20,048 is the product of this 2,964 into 7. We have found the product by using the expansion method. Expansion method is nothing but writing the multiplicand in expanded form, and each number should be multiplied by the multiplier. 20,048. Yes, children, find the product of a 4-digit number and a single-digit number. Previously, we have done by using long method and expansion method, which are not commonly used. This is the common method which we use. 6 8s are 48. Always start multiplying with the ones. 6 8s are 48. Carry 4 to the tens. 48. 4 to the tens, 4 in the tens, 8 in the ones. 6 4s are 24 plus 4. Carry over number should never be multiplied, it should be added. 6 4s are 24 plus 4, 28. Carry 2 to the hundreds. 6 9s are 54 plus 2, 56. 5 to the thousands. 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17. The answer is 17,688. Multiply 759 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 5s are 45 plus 8, 53. 5. 5 in the hundreds, 3 in the tens. 9 7s are 63 plus 5, 68. 8 in the hundreds, carry 6 to the thousands. 9 6 are 54 plus 6, 60. 60,831. This is the common way or short way of multiplying a 4-digit number by a single-digit number. Now, multiplication with 100, 200 until 900, the multiples of 100. It's a very shortcut process, easy process and a shortcut process. 396 into 200. So, 396 and 200 can be written as 2 into 100. And 396 into 2 we have to multiply, that is 792, followed by 2 zeros. Multiplication by 100 is nothing but the given number is followed by 2 zeros. So, the answer is 79,200. Next, 463 into 500. Here also, multiply the numbers first, 463 and 5. 463 into 5 is 2,315, followed by 2 zeros. It's a very simple process. So, 2,31,500 is the product of 463 and 500. And multiplication with 1000 to 9, multiples of 1000. 1000 to 9000. 1920 into 3000. For this also, you need to multiply the given number with 3, and the product should be followed by 3 zeros. 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. 5,760 is the product, and this 5,760 followed by 3 zeros. Now put commas. 57 lakhs 60,000 is the product of 1,920 and 3,000. Let's just solve some simple problems now. Find the product find the product. Two not 5 into 400. So multiply 205 and 4 now. 4 5s are 20. 4 zeros are 0 plus 2 2. 4 2s are 8. Write this 820 and followed by these 2 zeros. 82,000 is the answer. $4,967 into 800. For this, what you need to do? Multiply these numbers. 4,967 into 8. 8 sevens are 56. 8 6 are 48 plus 5, 53. 8 9s are 72 plus 5, 77. 8 4s are 32 plus 7, 39. 39,736 followed by these 2 zeros. We left these zeros and multiplied. So this product should be followed by 2 zeros. Insert commas now. 39,73,600 is the answer. In the same way, multiplying with the multiples of 1000. $6,540 into 6,000. Multiply these two. 6,540 into 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 4s are 24. Carry 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2. 32. 6 6s are 36 plus 3. 39. 39,240. And we have left these 3 zeros. Those should be followed by these 3 zeros. Three crores 92 lakhs 40,000 is the product of this. 6,540 and 6,000. $5,000 into 4,000. For this, multiply this with this. 5,000 into 4. That is equal to 5 4s are 20 followed by 3 zeros. 20,000 followed by these 3 zeros we have left. So followed by 3 zeros. $2 crores is the answer. So in this way you can find the product with the multiples of 100 and 1000 in a shortcut way. No time, Karthik? Yes, children, many problems are given from page number 60 to 63. What models I have taught now? You can complete from you can practice from the textbook, but be thorough with the tables, and worksheets will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.